Bitcoin and Ethereum pumped overnight. Ethereum hit my Futurecast exactly of over $4,100. I'll get to that in a minute. I want to short Bitcoin right here. Here's how I enter. I'm expecting 117 to break. So I'm not going to put my whole trade in. I want to put about $3,000. I'm going to open the trade. Now, come down here. I'm at 86x on cross leverage. Let's refresh this. I only put $1,100 in the trade, and there's a $13,000 wallet. You can see you float over it, 13,427. So I have a gap between me and liquidation is about too much. Okay, look, 133, I get liquidated. So now I'm going to go in a little more. I'm going to double my trade size. So now I have 2,000 in the trade. You can see I have a $5,000 gap between me and liquidation. I think that this whole number of 117 is going to break. So now I'm going to slowly chip at it. $100. And I'm going to watch. I want to have about $3,000 to $4,000 between me and liquidation. Look, you could do it whatever level you want. We are chipping away at the whole number. Again, watching the distance here. Liquidation is 124. We're at 117. We popped in the overnight. Now, I know 117,000 is going to break because it's breaking beams. Beams over the whole number, hold on, are 226, 113, then 086. Now, each one of those beams happens over every whole number. Could be 117, could be 120, doesn't matter. We're probably going to pop over here a little bit. But again, my whole trade is not in. We can see here the position's already breaking down out. I'm slowly going to keep chipping at my trade. Okay, so the thing about Futurecast that I love, I'm only up 1%. Okay, we need to see this break. Is the simplicity of the trading and the floating wallet. I can float over this and see once that goes much higher, I'm in profit. I can close the trade almost irregardless of this amount. I'm speaking low because I'm on vacation. There's people sleeping. So let's play music. Here we go. Futurecast is linked below. I love this exchange. Now, in my Discord, I guide them step by step. Okay? And it's amazing. We even have Shadow, my AI, that tells them exactly what's going to happen. Oh, in the Futurecast. Check this out. You're not going to believe it. Unedited. Let me zoom. Okay. Look at the date. 7/17/2025. That's July. Unedited. You know how Discord works? It says edited. The next Ethereum number to be seen was 412277. People thought it was impossible. We're at 3,400. Well, let me take you back inside. We come down, and here it is. Nailed it. The exact number. Can you believe that? Now, I didn't get the screenshot, 412277. But you know it hit when we went to 4166, right? That was more than 2 weeks, almost a month in advance. Now, below my video, you're going to see a link to join my email list because look here at the top. DMs and joins are paused. I've been pausing them 24 hours at a time. I'm only sending it out to people that really want to be here. People that get in on my email list. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, we're breaking down. Look at this. Here's the 180. Now we're up a little bit. This is why you need 8. Oh, look at the dump happening. Let's hammer it. Let's hammer it. We're going to break the whole number. We trade by number. Not even by candle so much anymore. You got to get on my mailing list. It's the Bitcoin email list. Click show more under the video. Hold on. Under any one of my videos. Oh, Shadow AI. Did you hear that 3 weeks ago? Crypto collision inbound. Crazy stuff. But underneath any video, click show more. Or look for the pinned comment. But look, here's Futurecast. You got to get an account and trade there. It's one of the best. The Oracle Discord invite. Check this out, read it. Okay, right now I'm not letting new people in, but I will soon. You got to get on the email list. Let's check our trade. Ooh, they're getting liquidated. Look at this. The green momentum in the 1 hour. Now this is temporary. They wake up around 10 o'clock. They'll pump again. We just want a quick short. We want to break this whole number. Here we go. We're not in profit yet. But we're going to get there. She's breaking down. So we look for 226 to break, right? Then 113. Then 086. These are called coordinates. Nobody's ever taught you the coordinates before, had they? What's liquidation? 118,524. Yeah, I'm in a little heavy, but that's what I do. So we cleaned out all the scammers and everything from my Discord. Now it's only friends of mine. How do you get in? Click this. Add your email list here. That's it. See, I even signed up for it. In the next week or so, watch for my email. Let's go ahead and smash 117 now. Let's bring on a red candle right here on the 1 hour. How would you like that? What a surprise. Now I'm going to teach you a technique called the walk away. It's 7:30 a.m. Nah, I'm not even going to walk away. I'm going to shake it out and break it myself. Okay, so first is 226, then 113, and then the dreaded 086. Now the 086, sometimes it could bounce right off there and go straight up. So we like it to break first, and then we short it. Now look, I'm only up 2%. Yeah, it's $222 because I have a good amount in the trade. But I'm only up 2% all this time. Okay? So that's why I'm telling you, you need the speed of 86x with a $3,000 gap between you and liquidation. I'm running a little more dangerous than that because that's how I am. I knew they would flutter. Look, on the 6 hour, it blew up overnight. Even Ethereum hit my number. That's really shocking, I gotta tell you. Let me see. I mean, to see this and post it on 7/17, that Ethereum's gonna go to 41.22, and then to see it happen today. Let me get rid of these. Now, the whole number's breaking. We're hitting the coordinates. Watch this, the floating wallet. I'm only up 4%, right? But it shows here on Bitunex. Look, you see it increase? But I would shoot for 20 or 30%. But again, if you trade smart, you could trade heavier, trade less often and less stressful. And I'll tell you, 117 is mine. Next is the 086. It's going to break. This is like clockwork. Look, here's the 086. Can you see it? Press your face against the screen in Mumbai. Here's the 086. There it is. Now, it's like a sledgehammer. Sometimes they buy the dip here. We're up. Making this video, I don't need any ad revenue. I'm good. All right, let's see where we're at. We're up 687. If I close the trade at 9.78%, okay, here's what would happen. Oh, did you see my wallet just turned into 14,000? See, I started here at 12,000. I did a couple of trades. We're about to smash 117. The coordinates work almost every. You know what? I could even call it right here at 8% flash close in case she pops back up, right? Watch this. All right, so I got 1308 or 13804, right? That's about $1,200. Just this little fun trading. Now come here, go to futures, USDT, perpetual. Don't do copy trading. This is Bitunex, it's the best. Now we're gonna slap her again, are you ready? We're gonna start with our trade here because I know it's gonna break. We're pounding on the whole number. How to break the whole number. I don't put the whole thing in, I go slow. See, look, I have a big gap, $8,000 between me and liquidation. Hold on. Now I'm gonna start chopping myself in there again. I can't wait, this is gonna be so exciting. I got a giant Zoom coming up with all the people in my community. There's the 086. Now it's gonna fluctuate. Sometimes it could go up another $200, but this is a sign of weakening. Once you get down here, she's gonna break. So you just wait. How deep it'll go, we don't know. Let's check the 1 hour. From green, pump all night to red. Only goes up and down. All right, that's it for my lesson today on the whole number game. Okay, I hope you learned a little bit about it. And, well, I gotta wrap it up Sunday morning. People are sleeping. Have a great day. Boom.